Hello viewers, today in this video we will be discussing about Poco F4 smartphone. This smartphone was launched about 1.5 months ago. In this video we will test the camera thoroughly and give you an idea how the cameras are. At the rear of this device there are 3 cameras. The main camera is of 64 megapixel camera from OmniVision, which has OIS, and the secondary camera is of 8 megapixel, that is an ultra wide sensor, and it has a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Here I will give you an example how the camera is. Let me take the photo and show to you. The camera in daylight looks pretty good, I would say. You can see this is the outcome of the camera. Now let me take another shot and give you the example. As you can see, everything is clearly visible in this picture. The color looks little bit punchier. Now this is another scenario, and in this scenario also the photo looks very good. As you can see, it has good dynamic range in outdoor condition. This is the image that is taken by Poco F4, and this is another shot. The green color looks little bit saturated, as you can see in this picture, but overall output is very good. The OmniVision sensor is doing very good job in terms of taking images in outdoor condition. As you can see the details and clarity. This is the final output. Now let me give you another shot so you can judge the background separation and light control issue. Actually it controls the light very good. Little bit of saturation over there in this photo. As you can see, this is the final product. Another close shot of a flower. It is not clearly visible through the camera, but the original output is very good. Let me show you the original output so that you can have an idea. This is the original output. The color looks gorgeous. Photos taken from the main sensor has optimum amount of details. As you can see in this photo also, everything is clearly visible and there is good amount of clarity. This is the final output. In this outdoor shot you can see the cloud looks very good, but in this photo the sky was blown out. In this picture everything looks very good, dynamic range and color separation, and the sun is hidden behind the trees. In this shot also you can see there is little bit of color showing more, and in this shot it is very good. This is a cloudy day, so it looks natural, and you can see it looks very good, the coconut trees. In this shot the trees are clearly visible. This is also a shot which in daytime photos look very lovely, but in low light you can see photos look little bit of contrasty and the details are little bit missing. This is a 1080p 60fps video taken from Poco F4 main sensor, which is 64 megapixel OmniVision. This is a slow motion video. Photos taken from the ultra wide sensor is nothing extraordinary to write about. These are the samples of ultra wide camera shots. The 5 megapixel macro sensor produces average quality pictures. As you can see in this sample shots, the photos are not so great. Now coming to the selfie camera, the selfie is of 20 megapixel sensor. Though selfie produced by this phone is not that great, in outdoor condition also you will not get very good quality selfies if you compare it with similar range devices such as Samsung A52s or iQOO Neo 6. Front camera videos are capped at 1080p 30 fps. The company should have provided at least 1080p 60 fps. Video looks good, but there are little bit of hiccups here and there. As you can see, overall cameras are not so great. So apart from the main camera, the other cameras are not so great, but Poco F4 is a solid all-rounder device under the price bracket of 28,000 rupees.